Hey, what's up, everybody? So I had a few people actually ask me yesterday why this top spring on your Polaris factory suspension is usually all the way compressed like this. So they always think it's maybe like really worn out or something like that. But what it is this actually does nothing for your ride or like your comfort at all. All it is when you're going over whoops and stuff like that, like at a good speed, it keeps you're only using this spring right here and obviously your shock. But the spring on top is called a tender spring or a helper spring, and all it is it's here to keep your mainspring from rattling around. That's literally all it does. So if it is compressed like this, that it's supposed to be like that. It's just how they decided to do it from the factory. That's why if you go like with shock therapy, they'll actually give you a true spring up here, which is called a dual rate spring. So you'll have the mainspring down here that'll be for your big, say like whoops and stuff like that. Whereas you get a smaller spring up here, which will actually help out with the washboard type roads and lots of little bumps and stuff like that. So, but yeah, that is why that's compressed like that. It's supposed to be from the factory. It's not supposed to help at all with suspension or comfort. It's solely there to help keep the spring from rattling around when going over whoops. So hopefully that helps you guys out, because I know I had a few people ask me yesterday, and I'm sure a lot of other people have that question too. So yeah, if you have any questions, just leave them below.